everyone, it's me, I November Rain, and today I am gonna make a update of my Smile Direct Club journey for 6 months. So it's been 6 months, and as you can see in here, so I got my name in there and the name of my doctor, and it's been 6 months, and this is my teeth look like now. So I am gonna insert a picture in here for my day one month one of my teeth look like, and that's my teeth look like before I start this journey. And it's been 6 months, and I'm happy with the result, and I am almost done. I can't believe that one more month and I am done with my journey, because every one of us has a different cases. Maybe you get a shorter treatment than me, or maybe you get a longer treatment than me. It's based how bad your teeth are. So me, I get my 7 months, so, and I'm already in my 6 months, and I am so happy with the result, because as you can see right now, I don't have my aligner. This is my natural teeth. And disclaimer, before you get yours, you need to consult your orthodontist first, or you need to see a dentist first before you do this kind of stuff. This is not like a DIY braces that you can get in the black market, like a DIY thing that everyone can, not even a dentist can use that one to put it in your teeth. It's a fashion braces that you can get at the black market. So this is not it, and you need to see a orthodontist first before you do this. And with this, I have my own doctor who is looking after my teeth movement, and it's right here. So he is the one who is watching my teeth movement. So he is the responsible of my teeth right now for 7 months. So before you do that, before you do this, you need to see a doctor first. So yeah, and that's a disclaimer. So I'm not saying, I am not telling you that this is good for you. Everybody is different. I am different, you are different. So if you want to do this, you need to see a dentist first. So this is the result, and my teeth before is so bad, and I already make a video of this journey from month 1, and if you have time to check those and to see the difference of my teeth, and if I am telling the truth. So if you want to check those, go ahead, please check. I am just gonna put the playlist on my iCard for you to see how my teeth look like before. So, and yeah, this is the result. If you ask me, I am happy. Yes, I am happy, because it helps to boost your confidence a lot, and especially now that I am talking in front of the camera, and you really need to I really need to do this, not just for talking to the camera, but to boost my confidence. And it is really important, and I am gonna say this over and over and over again. If you are planning to migrate here in the United States, and if you have a teeth problem, you need to fix your teeth first before you come here, because fixing your teeth here, getting braces and everything, or whatever you want to get, it is really expensive. For a cleaning is already a $90, and $90, that is almost 5,000 pesos in the Philippines. And for the cleaning, last 2 years I got my teeth filled, and that is $400 each. So that means I racked up like 1200. So that's a lot of money, and that's only the feeling of your teeth, you know. That's what we call this pasta. You have a holes in your teeth, and then papastaan mo siya. So that's, we call this pasta in the Philippines, but here is filling. So it is expensive here, and I am not joking, I am not lying to you. And if you've been into the ear dentist before and ask how much is the filling, it is expensive. And yeah, I am gonna say this over and over again every video. I need to remind you that if you wanna migrate here, and if you have a problem, then fix it first before you came here. And yeah, so I pay my price for not listening. But sometimes if you have a problem in the Philippines and then you ignored it, and yeah, it's okay, don't worry about it, it's fine, and I can handle it. And then one day you realize that it's about time, and then you don't have a choice to get, because there is no choice. Why do you want to go home to the Philippines and fix your teeth first? You want to go home to the Philippines and fix your teeth and then come back here? That's kind of expensive. So while you're there, fix it. And I am gonna say this over and over and over again, so you don't make the same mistake what I did. So you don't make the same mistake that I did. So it's a friendly reminder for you guys. And yeah, so this is it. And I am happy that I only have 1 month left for my journey. So it's kind of nice that seeing the improvement of your teeth. My teeth was so bad. I didn't realize that before I start making video. I didn't realize that, because I don't see myself in front of the camera. And then when I start talking, when I like, okay, it's hi everybody, it's I November in here, and then I realized that my teeth is so bad. So like so, and I start seeing my dentist. I get my teeth filled, and I asked about the braces, the invisible aligner, because they got invisible aligner. And like I do my research first, and then asking for the price and how much it costs, because the regular braces can took you another year, because first of all, they only move your teeth once a month. This invisible aligner, you have to change your aligner every you have to change every week and 1-2 weeks. So that means your teeth is moving every week. So that's why it is shorter than braces. You know, the time of using it is shorter than regular braces. But yeah, you can remove when you're eating. And sometimes when I have to change my aligner that day, I don't remove, I eat with my aligner. I don't care, and it doesn't bother me. It doesn't hurt my gums. I don't get a cut from the plastics, and that's okay. I drink coffee with it. I don't give a damn. And yeah, nothing's happened, so why not, right? So as long as you're not eating ribs with your aligner, I think you're fine. And because the company reminded you always that do not eat with your aligner, because they don't want you to get your gums cut. So I think that's it. And if you are so careful, I eat peanuts with my aligner, so so I think it's okay. And this is my experience. I am not telling you that you can do this also, but this is what I did. So I am just gonna share this with you, that nothing's happened to my gums, nothing happens to my teeth. like my eyeliner. I only broke one eyeliner once because it is so tight, and when I snap it in right here with my canine, you know where your canine is? This hand, this hand, and this hand. It is so pointy. So when I snap it in and it the chewies, like I heard a crack. So, and that's it. And then I contacted the customer service, and then they replied me that to move to my next month. I mean, I need to move forward, but I did not do that because it is just a tiny crack that it doesn't bother me, and it doesn't affect the movement of my teeth. So I did not do that because you don't have to. Why? You know how your teeth works right there because you're wearing it every day. So if you got a big crack and you think it's gonna affect the movement of your teeth, then you have to change and you have to move forward. But you have to contact your doctor first before that. And for me, it's just a tiny crack, a super tiny crack, and I said, okay, it's fine, and I'm gonna finish this week, and I'm gonna move. So I still have my routine, because you have a routine to follow. So yeah, that's it. And I think I took too much, and that's why I don't like to make this video long, because if I talk, I will talk all day. So yep. So I think that's it for today, guys, and I need to stop this video because it is already more than 10 minutes, and I don't want to keep this video so long because I want this video short and helpful. So I think that's all for today. And once again, this is I, November Rain, ang nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. And I thank you. Bye!